My name's Tim Mason. The company's TM Designs. We're based in North Wales in Conway, and we manufacture bone china mugs. I'd worked in the ceramic industry, so I thought that's a pretty sound place for us to start. We did a bit of research and we established that mugs was a good way to get into that market. When we originally started the concept of the company, the Welsh Government supported us with business support in the form of finance plans, strategies, etc. And specifically, we had very good support in taking the business forward with the project fund. That enabled us to develop new products which retailers were asking for. When we started to discover the support that was available, we were surprised that a company of our size and our age would receive so much encouragement from the Welsh Government. We always intended to start the business, and the support that we received initially was very encouraging. However, the support that we're now getting from the Welsh Government has really given us the confidence to grow the business and look at a bigger picture. From my perspective, starting a business now is good. It's difficult, but it's always difficult starting a new business. But a lot of people that we speak to, a lot of contacts that we make, say if we can survive now in the economic climate and the environment that we're operating in, we can survive at any time. For an entrepreneur starting a business, there are key things. Have a plan, have a conviction, have a belief. Be prepared for hard work, but also be prepared to change the plan, to adapt and be dynamic, because the market that you're selling to will also change.